Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Webull background color. Webull provides two primary themes, a dark mode and a bright mode. Changing your background theme can significantly enhance your trading experience by improving visibility and reducing eye strain, especially during long sessions. The steps to adjust this setting are quite simple and can be done directly within the Webull application. Let's dive into how you can easily make this change. To begin, launch the Webull application on your mobile device. Once the app is open, look towards the bottom right corner of your screen. You'll find either a menu icon, which might look like three horizontal lines, or a profile icon, often a silhouette of a person. Tap on this icon to open your personal menu. From there, you'll need to locate and select the settings option, which is typically represented by a small gear icon. After entering the settings menu, scroll down or look for an option labeled Appearance or Theme. This is where you control the visual style of your Webull interface. Once you tap on it, you will typically see choices like Dark Mode and Bright Mode. Simply select your preferred option. The change to your Webull background will apply immediately, allowing you to enjoy your chosen theme right away. And there you have it. You've successfully customized your Webull background to either a dark or bright theme. This simple adjustment can make a big difference in your daily trading comfort and focus. Feel free to switch between these themes whenever your environment or personal preference changes. Remember, a comfortable setup enhances your overall experience. Also, for an even smoother daily routine, check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. It offers voice control, self-emptying, and is pet-friendly. Find the link for this amazing vacuum and other great deals in the description below. Happy trading!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.